Hi guys, this is Josh here, and today we're going to have the review of the D18 Smartwatch after 1 week of use. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Josh here, and today I'm going to tell you what are the positive and the negative side of the D18 Smartwatch after 1 week of use. Alright guys, so now let's start with the positive side. So this smartwatch is so light that you can't even notice that you are wearing it. Next guys is the touch response is quite good. It is not too sensitive and also not too slow to detect. And the third good thing about this product is that it's pretty cool and it's also fashionable to look. And the last good thing about this product is just it's so affordable, and you can already have a fashionable and good looking smartwatch with good functions. And now let's move on to the negative side of this smartwatch. So first is the step counter. I'm sad to say, but it is not very accurate. It only gave us 70% of its accuracy. And the second negative part is that although we already had before a good smartwatch with good straps, but this one, it feels quite cheap. And the last negative part is that it's sometimes squeaky, so it produces like a squeaky sound, and I'm not sure if it is normal. And now the question is, should you buy the D18 smartwatch? In my case, I would definitely say yes, especially if you are budget conscious and just need a decent smartwatch. Alright guys, this has been Josh, and if you have any questions, just comment down below, and then if you like this video, please click the like button and also consider subscribing. Alright guys, so I will see you in my next video.